Looking for a healthy, delicious meal sure to please the pickiest of eaters? Then stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen and we make such delicious recipes you don't want to miss any. Today we're going to be making chicken black bean kale salad, which can be made into a vegetarian salad. Let's begin by making the avocado lime dressing. To your food processor, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of chopped up fresh cilantro. So cilantro is a wonderful heavy metal detoxifier, and it also adds just a wonderful fresh flavor to your recipes. Next we have 1/4 cup of heart healthy olive or avocado oil. The juice from either 1 or 2 limes. So I'm using the juice from 1 lime, and what I'm going to do is once my salad is all ready and mixed up together, give it a taste, and if I want more of that fresh lime flavor, I'll just squeeze some fresh lime juice right over the salad. Either way is going to work great. 1 chopped up garlic clove, and you're always welcome to add in more garlic if you really love the flavor. And now for our spices. I have 3/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt, and then 1/8 teaspoon of, you probably guessed it, some cayenne pepper. Process up all of your ingredients. Then add in your avocado and process up again until your dressing is nice and creamy. You're always welcome to add in some filtered water to get your desired consistency. Now we're ready to prepare the kale. Take your kale leaves and cut out the stems, and then cut up your leaves into bite-sized pieces. Add your chopped kale to a large mixing bowl and sprinkle with about 1/4 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Massage your kale by squeezing and releasing the leaves until they turn a beautiful dark green. This only takes about a minute, but is the secret to making amazing kale salads. Now we're ready to assemble our salad. To your bowl of kale, I'm going to add in 1 can of drained and rinsed black beans. Black beans are rich in fiber and antioxidants. Next I have 1/4 to 1/2 cup of chopped up red onion. Now it's really just up to you how much you want to add. Red onion has a really strong flavor, so always of course make these recipes work for you and who's eating it and what you like. 1/2 cup of chopped up bell pepper, which is rich in vitamin C. It also is an anti-inflammatory food. Next I have 2 cups of riced cauliflower, and I love those already made frozen bags that you can find in natural grocers. It's super easy. I just threw it into the pan with a little bit of chicken broth, salt and pepper, and sauteed it up for 2 minutes, and there you go. So if you don't want to use riced cauliflower, you could substitute this with cooked up quinoa or rice. Both of those will work really great. Toss together your ingredients along with your desired amount of dressing. Next, add in 1/4 to 1/2 cup of your favorite roasted seeds or chopped up nuts. I'm adding in roasted pumpkin seeds, which are rich in zinc. Last, I'm going to add in 1 pound of cooked chicken thighs. So if you are a vegetarian, you can absolutely substitute this with more veggies like shredded carrots, roasted broccoli, and you could even use your favorite vegetarian protein. It is the moment of truth. Time to give this salad a taste. It looks so good. So many beautiful colors in here. That is a wonderful blend of flavors. So good. The creaminess of the avocado, that healthy deliciousness of the kale that's so good for you. I love the beans and the peppers and the onions, a little bit of cayenne pepper. I would up the lime juice. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of fresh lime juice all over the salad before I dive in. It's so good. Please give this one a try, make it work for you, and I can't wait to hear how it goes for you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a fantastic week ahead of you, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen. Take amazing care of yourself. Bye-bye.